Alrighty, folks. Once my good man here is done fueling up this Chieftain PowerPlus, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on that, try it out. This should be a good one. That feels good. Feels real good. I think I like the size of this fairing a little bit better than the one on the Challenger. Doesn't seem to be quite as big and obnoxious, but still plenty enough fairing to block some wind for you. And still has everything you need on it. Oh yeah. That PowerPlus 112 eats, boy. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's nice. Real nice. Yeah, she sounds mean, man. I mean, the 108 PowerPlus is definitely enough, but this 112, man, woo! I mean, this thing smacks, and it sounds wonderful, man. So this bike, just based on the look, probably a little bit more like a Street Glide. I don't know exactly what Street Glide model it would be, but the one with the similar looking fairing, if you know what I'm talking about. Nice and easy to keep your balance at low speeds on this big bitch. I mean, it's just, just a cruiser, man. Like when I think of a cruiser now, man, this is what I think of right here. Obviously, the Scouts and the Chiefs absolutely love both of those. And they're wonderful cruisers in their own right. But this big body boy with the fairing and the bags on the back, this is the cruiser right here. Yeah, man, the Chieftain PowerPlus Limited. I mean, look at the handling on this thing, bro. It's an 800-pound bike. Popping and burbling on the D-cells. Handles those bumps nicely. Good suspension. Very nice. Oh, yes. Yeah, I mean, this thing is easy to ride, bro. He's got a blind spot warning, tailgate warning. I mean, sheesh. Pretty fucking cool features to have on a motorcycle. Yeah, not a whole lot to say here. I'm just chilling. That's gonna be just about it for this one, though. Chieftain PowerPlus Limited. She absolutely eats. She's a big old comfy girl. It's definitely the type of bagger I can see myself on right here. I'm gonna have to get back on the Challenger. People have been on that damn Challenger Elite all day, but I want to see what that one is like compared to the other Challenger. I think it's mostly the same. I don't know what exactly the differences are aside from PowerPlus 112 versus the 108, and obviously the paint job. But there's only 350 of those Elites. there it goes right there. Somebody brings it back. Somebody's back on it. Hell yeah. The Chieftain PowerPlus, man. It's a good looking bike right there. I like that a lot. Appreciate y'all watching though, man. Y'all have a good one.